This video will show you how to tighten the hinges of a book to lengthen the life of a hardcover book and promote the longevity of your collection. To determine if the hinges do indeed need tightening, hold the book by both boards and look down through the interior of the spine. To see how big the gap along the hinges may be. If you see the end paper pulling away from either board, the hinge should be tightened to prevent further damage. Sometimes one side is pulling away more than the other. This is expected. Both sides should be attended to prevent more damage occurring. Take a rod coated with glue and run it down the spine that is further apart. Then turn the book over and repeat on the same side to make sure enough of the hinge is glued. Repeat on the other side. Once the hinges have glue in them, place a piece of wax paper along the inside hinge as a precaution against getting glue out of place. Finally, place the freshly repaired book into a vise with special boards with rims to mark the hinges of the book. Leave the book here overnight so the glue can cure.